How to restore WhatsApp chat. First of all, open the app and make sure you are using the same phone number and Google account that you used for the backup. This is very important because the backup is linked to both. After verifying your number, the app will automatically detect any available backup from Google Drive or your device storage. When prompted with a message to restore your chat history, tap on Restore. Wait for the process to complete. It might take a few minutes depending on the size of your backup and internet speed. Once the restore is complete, tap Next to proceed. Your chats will be displayed and the media files will continue to restore in the background. Now you know how to restore WhatsApp chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.